Alright, so today we're going to be exploring the fascinating process of platelet plug formation, also known as primary hemostasis. This is the first crucial step our bodies take to stop bleeding when a blood vessel gets injured. So let's dive in. Hemostasis is the process that prevents blood loss when a blood vessel is injured. It consists of two stages: primary hemostasis, where platelets clump together to form a plug, and secondary hemostasis, where a fibrin mesh reinforces this plug. Think of it like building a wall. The platelets are the bricks, and the fibrin is the mortar. Primary hemostasis involves 5 steps: vascular spasm, platelet adhesion, platelet activation, platelet aggregation, and formation of the platelet plug. Let's explore each step in detail. When a blood vessel is injured, the first response is a vascular spasm, where the vessel constricts to reduce blood flow. This spasm is triggered by signals from damaged blood vessel walls and helps minimize blood loss. This damage exposes collagen fibers in the blood vessel wall. Platelets circulating in the blood come into contact with these fibers and adhere to the site of injury. This adhesion is facilitated by von Willebrand factor, a protein that acts like glue, helping the platelets stick firmly. Once adhered, platelets become activated. Activated platelets change shape, extending tentacles to make contact with more platelets. They release chemicals like ADP and thromboxane A2, which attract even more platelets to the injury site, creating a positive feedback loop. The chemicals released by activated platelets signal more platelets to gather and stick together at the injury site. This aggregation creates a temporary plug to cover the break in the blood vessel. The platelets express a new surface protein called GP2B3A, which binds to fibrinogen, linking the platelets together. Finally, the aggregated platelets form a stable platelet plug that temporarily seals the vessel wall and stops further bleeding. This plug is reinforced by fibrin during secondary hemostasis, creating a more permanent fix. In secondary hemostasis, fibrinogen is converted into fibrin, forming a mesh that covers the platelet plug and reinforces it, creating a more permanent fix. In summary, primary hemostasis is the body's initial response to vessel injury, forming a platelet plug through the steps of vascular spasm, adhesion, activation, and aggregation. This process is vital for preventing blood loss and setting the stage for secondary hemostasis, where fibrin reinforces the plug. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below. Thank you.